Have you ever wondered where apples come from? Well, let's go on a magical journey, from a tiny seed to a delicious, crunchy apple. It all starts with a tiny little seed hiding inside an apple. If we plant it in the soil and give it water, something amazing happens. Look! A baby tree is waking up. But it needs sunshine, rain, and lots of love to grow big and strong. With time, the little tree grows taller and taller until, wow! It becomes a beautiful apple tree. But wait, where are the apples? Before apples can grow, the tree must bloom. Look at these pretty pink and white flowers. They smell so sweet. Bees love apple blossoms. They carry pollen from one flower to another, helping the tree make baby apples. Little by little, the apples grow bigger and bigger. First, they're small and green. Then they turn red, yellow, or even pink. After months of sunshine, water, and care, they are finally ready to pick. And now, the best part. Crunchy, juicy, and delicious apples. So next time you eat an apple, remember, it started as a tiny seed, took a long journey, and now it's here, just for you. Click on subscribe for another amazing adventure. Bye-bye!
Rainbow magic swirling high, in the sky we see it fly. Every color shines so bright in Orangelo's world tonight.